Welcome to science class. Meow.
Hello everyone! Welcome to science class. Today's topic is entitled Reproduction and Breeding in Plants. These are the vocabularies that I will be using in this topic. Number 1, breeding, breeding. 2, reproduction, reproduction. 3, ensure, ensure. 4, pollination, pollination. 5, transport, transport. 6, absorb, absorb. 7, nutrients, nutrients. 8, holds, holds. So you are going to write these vocabularies in your notebook. And after you write, you are going to translate it to Thai words so that you can understand the meaning of each word. And after you translate, you are going to practice how to read the vocabularies. And then you have to record yourself while you are reading the vocabularies and send your video to my line. That is your activity number 1. Okay, so we will review the parts of the plants and their function. One part of the plant is roots. Okay, the function of roots is to absorb water and nutrients. Okay, that's the function of the roots. Absorb water and nutrients from the soil. We have also stem. Okay, this is the stem. What's the function is to transport water, nutrients, and holds the other parts of the plant. Okay, this is also the function. Also, this will transport nutrients and water, and also holds the other parts of the plant. As you can see, this is the flower or the fruit of the plant. The stem is holding it. All right. The other one here we have flower. Flower, the function of a flower is to ensure pollination. Okay, inside the flower there is a pollen grain. All right. So its overall function is to ensure pollination so that they can be they can reproduce another flower. Another one here we have fruit and seeds. Okay, fruit and seeds. This is the seeds and this is the fruit. The function of fruit and seeds is to reproduce and grow into a new plant. That's the function of the fruit and seeds. All right, your activity number 2, you get your notebook and you have to answer page 68. In your page 68, you are going to, for the stem, okay, for the stem, you have to use green color. Okay, for stem you color green. For green in the circle, okay, just color the circle. For the fruits and seeds, you have to use color blue. Okay, fruit and seeds picture, you just use color blue. And for the flower, you use color red. All right. Next one, we have parts of the flower. So I discussed this already, the parts of a flower. Last time I discussed the parts of the flower, but I will review before you answer the parts of the flower. Alright, so this is a stigma here, and this is the style, and this is the pollen tube. This is the pollen tube here, and this is the ovary. One is the ovary, and this one is the ovule. Alright, and if you put this together, it is called the carpel or the pistil, the female part of a flower. Okay, this is the female part of a flower. We have composed of stigma, style, pollen tube, ovary, ovule. Right? So we have also the male part of a flower. We have the anther, and this is the filament. Alright? And this one, this anther and filament is the male part of a flower. Okay? Anther and filament are the male part of a flower. They are called estamen. Okay? Estamen is the male part of a flower. Estamen is composed of anther and filament. And this one is the sepal. Okay? Sepal, the outermost part of a flower, help protect the inside. Okay, this sepal is protecting the inside, protecting the petals of a flower or the ovary of a flower. Alright, so this is the receptacle of a flower. Receptacle. And this one is the petal. What's the function of a petal? Is they are usually colorful. Okay, they help attract the insects like bees, okay, which help to spread the plant's pollen to other plants. Right? That's the function of a petal, for pollination. Stamen for reproduction, sepal for protection, and we have receptacle for generation of flower organs, and we have carpel or pistil for reproduction, the female part of a flower. So your next activity is you are going to answer page 3, page 69. Page 69, your activity number 3, you answer page 69. You write the part of a flower. Okay, that is fill in the blanks. You write the name. You name the part of a flower in page 69. Alright, so let's review a little bit of the topic that we discussed last time, the methods of propagation. Okay, we have seedling. When you plant, use seeds. Okay, you grow a new plant using a seed. We have also cutting. You have to cut the leaves of a plant. We have layering. Okay, what is the function of layering? You have to making a branch grow. Okay, and a root wile is attached to a parent tree. Okay, see, this is the parent tree, and when this branch, okay, once the root is strong enough, the layered branch can be planted on its own, and this is one of the best method in producing another type of a plant. Another one, we have budding. Okay, this is budding. This is propagation of a plant. Use buds. Okay, this is the buds of a plant, and you have to grow them in the trunk of a tree. Okay, this is the trunk of a tree. You have to cut this one, the stem, and after that, you have to put the trunk bud in the stem, in the trunk, and cover. And after a few months, or a few days, 7 to 14 days after this time, you can see you can see the plants grow. Okay, another one here we have plugging. Okay, plugging. This is another method of propagating plants or producing fast. You can produce fast. You can produce another plant fast and easy. Okay, so this is plugging propagation by bringing the top twig. Okay, this is the top twig here, and you have to make a V. Okay, you have to plug into a rootstock for them to grow as one plant. Okay, as you can see, and you have to tie. Okay, tie the stem, okay, or the trunk of the plant. And we have also inner king. We have inner king. This is you have to prepare the rootstock, especially rootstocks. This is the another plant, and you have to put them together. You have to cut, of course, you have to cut a little bit. Cut the stem either side, both plant number 1 and plant number 2, and after that, as they've cut around 1/3 stem, they may turn about 2 centimeter long. You have to lay the cut section stems next to each other and wrap the 2 stems tightly. You have to wrap it tightly using plastic materials like plastic cellophane materials, and after that you have to leave it for 30 to 45 days, and you can see the plant is you can see that they are connected. Okay, you can see plant number 1 and plant number 2 after 30 to 45 days. The plants are well connected. So that is inarching method. So now your work, your activity, you have to answer page number 14. Okay, page number 14, page number 70. That is your activity number 4. You have to write you have to name the methods of. You have to name look at the picture. You have to look at the picture and you have to fill the blanks. What type of method is in the picture, right? So after you answer, you have to send your photos to my line. Thank you for listening and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.